guys, it's Neelam and welcome to my channel. You might get disappointed when you will find my wardrobe is not that big and which almost all the Instagram influencers have, but be realistic guys, not everyone can have that. I don't have it as of now. Most of the Indian families would have these strong metal almirahs and kind of segregate like this. Minimum shelves with upper box and a locker in the middle, which we generally don't use to keep our wealth. In today's video, I'm going to organize my wardrobe and you will get some ideas how you can organize yours. So let's start. I think you might be able to relate to it because at one point of time our wardrobe generally looks like this, especially in winters. And I have been using my locker to keep my lingeries and other accessories. So here's the first step. Empty your almirah. Take out everything from all the shelves and boxes. By doing so, you will realize how stuffed your almirah is. I'm not even able to move my hangers. Don't hold your breath. It's gonna be alright. We are going to sort this out. Next step is to decide what you want to keep and what you should let go. Once that is done, remove all the let go items and empty the space. Now move on to next step. Separate all the items product wise, like all the jeans at one side, all the skirts at one side, like that. Comes the major part, folding all the items appropriately. I'm not gonna show you in this video how I fold each and every item, but there is another video which I'm going to publish soon, so stay tuned for that one. And in this video I'm just gonna show you how neat they are looking. So time to put all the items in my wardrobe as per my convenience. I have divided my hanging items in two and keeping them at extreme right and extreme left to keep the middle section empty for two reasons. One, to keep the hanger safe from curving in the center due to the burden of clothes, and another one is to keep it easier for me to take out the clothes which I am keeping at the back. I don't know about you guys, but since my childhood, I have seen families keeping all blankets, towels, and things like that in the top box of almirahs. I'm going to keep my towels, some of my shooting stuffs, and my handbags. Before that, I'm going to sort out my makeup box. It's my belt box. I have been keeping my belts in here, so let's sort it out. Moving on to the rest of the section, including my laundry section, I'm going to sort this out. I'm using shoe and the cup boxes as an organizer for my laundry section. You have an option to wrap these with wrapping paper, but I'm not doing so because I don't think apart from me, anyone is going to peep into my laundry section. When I have done all the things to keep my wardrobe organized, the last and the main step is to maintain it. Otherwise, I will have to repeat all the steps all together again. Ideally, you should not be folding your leather stuffs, so I'm hanging in my leather jackets, leather skirt, and leather pants. Leather jacket and leather skirt can be hanged on the hanger, but I didn't want to hang my leather pants on the hanger to save it from the crease. I'm hanging it on the hanger rod. This is it guys for the today's video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram account, and stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.